Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Lohit. You are watching Lohit Virat official YouTube channel. So friends, here I'm back with another video. So here I brought some of the app SSC English quiz. This is very helpful for the aspirants who are preparing for SSC and bank examinations. In this app you can find about vocabulary and grammar quizzes. You can attempt the grammar quizzes which are very important to the aspirants who are preparing for SSC and uh, bank examination. So before going into the video, who are watching for the first time my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my channel and watch each and every video. And every video is about education purpose only. I uploaded all the APM set counseling videos and the JOSA counseling videos. So before going, so I request everyone to open the Play Store and search, type in the search bar SSC English quiz. So let us open the app. So after opening the app, the dashboard will be like this: practice, bookmark, wrong attempt, important vocabulary, scorecard, today's quiz, and the another app which is of SSC GK and more apps. So let us enter into the practice questions. Click on the practice. So in this practice slot you can see the spot the error section and the sentence improvement, fill in the blanks, one word, idioms and phrases, synonyms, antonyms, misspelled, active and passive, direct and indirect, arrangement of sentence, phrasal verbs. So let us click on the spot the error. So the question will be like this: direction. This is which of the part, which find out which part of the sentence has an error. Select this. So this is the question. So you can ask the correct question and answer. So if you think it is a doubtful question, so you can add this question into the bookmark. You should click on this which is appearing in the right side. So this is question is added into the bookmark. So every slot of this question, practice questions will be like that. So let us enter the next one, sentence improvement. So this is the same pattern for all the questions. So like this. On next we can go to next one. So let us enter into the next one, which is bookmark. So in the practice questions, in the two sections, we marked one of the section question. So spot the error. So we can see this which we have bookmarked in the previous one. So the question appears here. So like this.
अगर मैं कहूँ कि आप हर महीने बैठे बैठे 25,000 तक कमा सकते हैं तो यकीन करेंगे आप? मुमकिन है। यारी पे प्ले स्टोर से यारी ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए।
So let us enter. So he can which you have bookmarked the questions. You can see this here, all the bookmarks. This is the each and every slot. So let us enter next one. You can say here which of the question you have wrong attempted it, how many questions you have wrong attempted. There you can see all the questions. So next, important vocabulary. Click on the so let us enter into the idioms. So like this, all the idioms and phrases. These idioms are very useful in the English grammar. In the SSC, these are it carries 1 or 2 marks, I think. So one word idioms carries 2 marks, I think, in the SSC preparation. So like this, it is available in a Hindi meaning also. So second section, let us enter. So this is the scorecard. I have not attempted any question, so there will be no scorecard for me. See, one wrong. This is like this, the scorecard appears. So today's quiz. This is if you click on the today's quiz. So like this, start quiz. So in this way you will have 8 minutes and 20 questions. So like this, the quiz will be there.
Don't have time to read the newspaper? Don't worry. Download InShorts to read short news.
So this is the video, friends. So if you like the video, please do like the video and share the video for your friends. And this video is very important for the SSC aspirants and aspirants who are preparing for the bank examination. So thank you, friends. Okay, right, bye.